Do you know, as a small creator on YouTube, you can hit your 4,000 watch hour in no time? In this video, I'm going to be sharing three methods that will help creators to get 4,000 watch hour in 2026. So guys, if you know you want to get your 4,000 watch hour in 2026, this video is for you. But if you don't want to get 4,000 watch hour, you can as well skip this video, because at the end of this video, you're going to be getting three mind-blowing strategies that will help you to accumulate your 4,000 watch hour in 2026. So guys, if this is your first time of seeing my face on your screen, do well to like this video, hit that notification bell. Whenever I make videos, you get notified, and subscribe. All right guys, let me take you straight into the method. First of all, I want you to pay attention to every single method I'm going to be sharing on this video. Now, the first method I'm going to be sharing here, if you do not understand the first method, you can reach out to me on the Gmail right on the screen. I'm going to be doing that for you. But guys, I want you to know that it's going to be a paid service, because I really want most of us to reach our 4,000 watch hour in no time. So I'm going to be doing this with my phone. You can do it with your smartphone, your laptop, whichever device you want to. So let me take you guys straight into the first thing you want to do if getting 4,000 watch hour is your goal in 2026. All right, so if you have your phone with you, I want you to go over to the YouTube dashboard side. Okay, that's the YouTube desktop site. So this is like your YouTube studio, but you're going through the dashboard side. Okay, so we're gonna click on that. So it's going to direct us to the dashboard side. So you continue to studio. So guys, this is what my dashboard site is looking like. Okay, so I want you guys to come to the left hand side down below. You're going to see settings. So I want you to click on your settings. So once you click on that, I want you to go to where you have your channel. You're going to click on channel. Okay, so I want you to click on the channel. So now what we're going to be doing here is to set up your channel keywords. A lot of small creators are making this mistake. We just create our YouTube channels and we don't even create our keywords correctly. So right here, I'm going to be showing you what my keyword section looks like. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to the keywords. Now, to get the keywords, you need to understand the kind of videos you want to be putting out here on YouTube. Some of us do not even understand what we are doing on YouTube. So you need to know what type of videos you want to be creating, the kind of audience you want to attract. So what this helps you to do is to attract the right audience to your channel. And when you have the right audience on your channel, you get the views. And when you get the views, you get the watch time. So now you can see here, basic info, you're going to see keywords. So you're going to see the keywords I have here, how to create YouTube tips. Let me zoom this closer so you guys can see very well. So I'm going to zoom this close. Okay, so you're going to see how to create YouTube tips, YouTube growth, get views, creative blessing, how to grow on YouTube, get more views, because the niche is all about growing on YouTube. So if you're into a cooking channel, if you're into a lifestyle channel, you need to get the right tags. Very important. And we are not just done with the tags. I'm going to take you guys to advanced settings. So this is very important for a channel that is just starting out and you really want to get your 4,000 watch hour in no time. Now, if you see the advanced settings on my screen right here, you're going to make sure that your videos is set no, not for kids. Very important. Come to this point. Let me zoom this clearly so you guys can see. Let me zoom this clearly. Okay, so make sure your channel is already on no. This channel is not set for kids, because if your channel is set for kids, your views will be limited, and some of us may not even know this. You already have your channel set for kids and you're trying to get views, so you need to set this correctly. All right, so make sure you do that. Very important. Make sure you set your channel not for kids. So if this is looking a bit confusing and you feel like, oh, there's a lot for me to start doing right now, you can reach out to me on the mail on your screen, and I'm going to be doing that for you on your channel. Remember, it's going to be a paid service. Now, the next thing you want to do on your channel, if you know you want to get your 4,000 watch hour in no time, Please and please stop creating videos 3 minutes long, 2 minutes long, 5 minutes long. Start creating videos 8 minutes long. You know why? Whenever the algorithm pushes your video after placing your tags on your channel, and your channel is attracting the right audience, and the algorithm picks your video, if that video is less than 8 minutes, you're going to regret it, because at the end of the day you might get a video that goes viral on your channel and you're still struggling to get your 4,000 watch hour. Learn the habit of making longer videos. If you're starting out, I would advise you to make videos at least 8 minutes long. If you can even make 1 hour video, very good. In fact, it's really important so your watch hour can come really quick, because the longer your videos, the higher your watch time. So you don't want to create videos of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes long. This is very important as a new creator, because I see so many creators talking about getting 4,000 watch hour, and when I go through their channel, most of their videos are 2 minutes long, 3 minutes long, 4 minutes long. You're not posting shorts. You want to accumulate watch hours, so you need to learn how to start creating longer videos on your channel. Very, very important. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. Do well to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now, the last thing you're going to be doing on your channel, most creators do not talk about it, so I'm going to take you guys to my YouTube studio so you guys can see for yourselves. So once you get to your YouTube studio, I want you to go to your analytics. Okay, so now go to where you have trends. Most of us are not using this feature correctly, so if you want to see results on your YouTube channel in 2026, you need to try trends. So if you get to the trends, you're going to see here explore topics. Now you're going to see different topics that you can explore on your channel. This is actually a gateway to getting a viral topic, because this is YouTube telling you the kind of video you should be posting, the kind of topic you should talk about. So now you can see here on my trends, we have explore topics, we have top searches. Here you can see how to delete YouTube channel, how to increase public watch hours, new YouTube channel monetization. Guys, you can see all of this. So if you are into any niche on your channel, because the topics here are related to my niche, that's the growth niche, the YouTube growth niche. So regarding your niche, you need to come over to trends to see what is trending in your niche, because after optimizing your channel and making videos that are more than 3 minutes long, you need to do the right videos, like the right kind of videos that the algorithm will push. So you want the algorithm to push the kind of videos that will bring that watch hour to your channel. So let's see here the recent videos from other creators. You can just click and see more. And okay, I'm not trying to watch the video. Let me go back to my YouTube studio. So guys, this is actually a ticket to see the kind of videos to make. Now you can actually see that you can see topics you can make, the kind of thumbnails that is actually going viral in your niche. Really impressive. So guys, this is really a good one, and most of us are not utilizing it. I have to be very honest with you guys. Most videos that are doing well on this particular channel that gave me good amount of watch hour, I came to trends to see what is really working, because YouTube is not about what you like. YouTube is about what is trending, what the algorithm is pushing. If you like, create videos you love, the videos that are inspiring you. If the algorithm is not pushing it, like if people are not looking for that kind of video at that moment, your channel will just remain stuck. So make sure you're going through your YouTube studio to go see trends, see what is trending per season. Something that trended last year cannot be the same trending this year. So guys, I hope this is actually helpful, and if you really want me to help you optimize the first method, you can reach me on the email on your screen, and I'm going to be doing it. It's a paid service, guys. It's not going to be free, okay? And trust me, I'm going to be doing this to make sure that your channel is well optimized, so the YouTube algorithm can push your videos to the right audience. So if you find this video helpful, and if it's something you want to try on your channel, let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Bye.